Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your iPhone never turn off. It's pretty simple, so let's jump in. Just a heads up, if you make your iPhone never lock, it will die way faster than you want it to, and it leaves your phone very vulnerable to people being able to get on whenever they want to, especially if you lost your phone. They could just reset it. There's no protection there. So they get on and try to text or do anything. So that's just a heads up if you turn this system off. But regardless, we'll jump in now. Let me unlock my phone, and then we're going to jump into our settings on our phone. And once you're in your settings, go ahead and scroll down to display and brightness. From there, go ahead and scroll down to where it says auto lock, and then change it from 30 seconds to never. And then you're good to go. That's about it. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.